Hey, just wanted to let you know about another event we have coming up with Jim Collins that we're working with the growth faculty out of Australia on. Karen and her team put together spectacular events. And wow, was the event last October amazing. And, for those that attended, know that at Navy Pier in Chicago, Jim came for a room of us and just absolutely was magical. And he doesn't do a lot of these events at all. He doesn't do any standalone events like this. So, we've been fortunate to have a bunch of probably now 160 CEOs spend 2 days with Jim in his lab in Boulder. We just had one of those 2 weeks ago, which is amazing for just the CEO. But this event was created for the CEO and their exec team to come together as a group, learn with Jim, do exercises at the table, and come out with more clarity. And it was a spectacular hit, so we're doing it again. So if you haven't booked yet, or if you want to know more about this amazing opportunity with the master, the root of the most important strategic principles we use and need to use to continue to scale and thrive as an organization. The information's below. And if you have any questions about it, you can let me know. I'm happy to share. It's incredibly powerful, simple stuff that he shares, and watching him deliver and facilitate in a room full of people is an absolute treat. So hope you can join us. All the best.